HomeLink training instructions. Locate HomeLink in your vehicle, identified by the house icon. Step 1. For first-time training, press and hold the outer two HomeLink buttons, releasing only when the HomeLink indicator light begins to flash after 20 seconds. Do not perform this step when training the additional HomeLink buttons. Step 2. Push both the HomeLink button and the handheld transmitter button until the HomeLink indicator light flashes, slowly, then rapidly. Then release both buttons. Step 3. Push the programmed HomeLink button. If the HomeLink indicator light is solid, programming is complete. If the HomeLink indicator light blinks rapidly for 2 seconds and then turns solid, proceed to the next 2 steps. Step 4. Get a ladder and press the Learn or Smart button on the garage door opener motor head. It may be helpful to have a second person assist with the step. Step 5. Within 30 seconds, get back into the vehicle and push the programmed HomeLink button for 2 seconds and release. Repeat 2 to 3 times until the garage door activates. Training is complete. Call 800-355-3515 for customer assistance.